I want to talk to you about why weight loss is not a shallow issue. I know the way it's marketed is get into a bikini, look good in this outfit, show up in pictures looking amazing, and everybody's jealous of you. This is nonsense. This is a way to sell you diets. It's sort of this glimmering idea. But the work that it takes to produce a healthy weight is actually very affirming and holistic. And, my members tell me a lot of things. I've learned a lot over the last couple of years. One of them is how persistent or chronic weight gain creates this vein of anxiety that you live with. And maybe you'll recognize some of the behaviors, not wanting to look at yourself in the mirror. I had one member tell me that getting out of the shower, she would just put a towel over herself so that she didn't have to get a look at herself in the mirror, which is, so difficult to hear, especially to me who feels like every body is a good body. You have your body. It's one body. You don't need to worry about whether it's a good or bad one. It belongs to you. It is therefore good. But this persistent nagging feeling is one that I deeply relate to and understand. And I understand it a little bit differently, of course, which is that when you don't know what the problem is and you don't know how to fix it, but you have to live with the result of it, that creates a lot of difficult thoughts all day long. So it's not just this matter of like, you should look better for other people. You should look better so that you're presenting in a particular way that's more societally acceptable. No. What I think real, enduring, stable weight loss is the work of sorting out who you are, what you need, and how to ask for it. Those are incredibly affirming things to work on. Your weight is a byproduct of those things. It is a byproduct of how you organize your life and your thinking. And so thinking of your body as not a goal, but actually as showing up the result of how you care for yourself, that's a very different approach, and one that endures, one that heals you. And I know that's a very sort of healing is a bit of an outlandish idea when it comes to weight loss, but hear me out. What I am really teaching you is the work of caring for yourself, and caring for yourself on a day-to-day basis is a very healing thing to do. It has produced so much calm in my life that I've actually been able to go on and tackle other issues that were bothering me or upending me. So really, it's turned into a template for how do you understand yourself as a person, and how do you deal with that person with love and kindness to produce the result that you're looking for? So I hope you'll join me as we go episode by episode to bring you the kind of clarity that has really changed my life and my members' lives. You can find me anywhere you can access your favorite podcasts. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a review telling me what subjects you would like for me to tackle. I'll see you next time.